Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Tish, and today I'm going to be showing y'all this new TiK Tok cleaning hack that I discovered. According to this new TiK Tok cleaning hack, you take some finished dishwashing tabs and you clean your oven with it. Now in theory, you don't have to put in a lot of elbow grease like we did with the last TiK Tok oven cleaning hack. This one is pretty easy. Get your oven clean and it doesn't take that long. So I'm about to test this theory out and I'll let y'all know how much elbow grease I had to put into it and if I was successful in cleaning my oven. Yeah, I just wasted this on the oven sometime this week. I don't know what I was cooking. I don't know if it was the chicken pot pie or the mesquite grilled chicken, but something wasted onto the bottom. So I plan on cleaning that up today. I'm going to see if this dishwasher tab is going to work on getting all of that clean. So this is what my oven looks like right now before I even clean it. I hadn't did anything to it. Y'all see how grungy it looks. I don't know what that white stuff is back there. I don't know where that even came from or why it's even back there. Hopefully the oven is not falling apart. The first thing I'm gonna do is take these out and then let them soak while I clean the inside of my oven. I have my water, I have my tabs, and I'm gonna start with this side of the oven first. The first thing you wanna do is take the plastic off of the dishwasher tab. So I've taken the plastic off of the dishwasher tab, and I'm gonna take the red part and stick it in the water. Next, I'm gonna take the dishwasher tab and soak it in the water. I am 30 minutes into cleaning this oven. Good Lord. And I'm beginning to think this was a mistake because it's a bad idea. And I don't know why this one and that one over there. Yeah, this one and that one over there.
I had nothing to do with that.
They didn't try to stop me from doing this cleaning.
You did that yourself.
I couldn't even come down here. You know, you're trying to blame me for something.
I just came down the stairs.
Yes, they should have said, this was a bad idea. You shouldn't be doing this.
I had no idea
This is a bad idea. You should
In your head, you should know this is a bad idea. No one cleans this oven.
I thought it was gonna be I'm 30 minutes into cleaning this oven and I'm not seeing any progress.
You're gonna be here for an hour.
I'm gonna be here for like 4 or 5 hours. This is ridiculous.
It's like doing hair, but oven edition.
Yeah, I gotta figure out how to get all of this stuff out this oven because they're gonna be tasting like dish soap. Y'all food gonna be tasting like dish soap if I don't get this stuff out here. So
I'd rather eat that piece of. I'd rather eat something. I don't know. Definitely not dishwater. I know that for a fact.
I am definitely regretting my life choices right now.
I should be definitely regretting my life decisions right now.
Right.
There was an angel and there was a devil. I think the devil won right now.
I don't know why y'all didn't just try to stop me from cleaning. This is where I am right now. A little progress, but not much. And each time I try to put the dish tab in there, it falls apart. So I have to grab the little crumbs and then scrub with my fingers. So this is way more labor intensive than the last process that I used. So I'm gonna keep chugging away. Yeah, so now I'm gonna try to wipe it down and see what it's gonna look like after I wipe it. I don't know why y'all didn't just tell me to stop it. All of this stuff. I'm about to get the vacuum cleaner and clean this oven. I'm about to run out of dishwashing tabs. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I run out, because I was trying not to spend money.
Get ready to spend some money. Get ready to pay up.
Okay, y'all, so I'm 1 hour into it, and I am nowhere near halfway finished cleaning this oven. So let me show y'all what the oven looks like after 1 hour of scrubbing. And I've only been focusing on this side for 1 hour. This is where I am in the process. I'm gonna have to get a vacuum clean and clean all of that up. As we can see, it does not work on these tough stains, so I'm gonna have to find something else to get this stain up. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it does take away the grease. Like, it's like real greasy back there. I hadn't cleaned anything back there. I mean, you can see the parts of the dishwashing tab has fallen, but I hadn't cleaned this part, and you can tell the difference between this and that. This is cleaner than this part right here, because that's like caked on grease right there. Hopefully y'all can see it. But yeah, so it works, but it does not work on stains. It works on, if your oven is semi-clean, it works on that. You would have to use 3 or 4 bags of dishwashing tablets in order to clean this up. So for this, I'm gonna have to create that mixture, let it soak for a little while, and then scrub this up, because apparently it does not work on, I mean, maybe I'm gonna give it one more shot, because it's gonna take at least 2 or 3 more of these tabs to work on this stain. Now, it was a stain right here, and you can still see that some of it is still there. It did clean some of that up. So maybe if I take another stain and work on this part, it might clean it up, but not the way I would like for it to be clean. I want it to be shiny. I don't want to see any of these little black spots that I'm seeing. This is how dirty the water is so far. I'm going to pour this out, get some new water, and continue with my scrubbing. Okay, so let's do a little comparison. I have not touched this side of my oven, and I gotta clean that off some more. But this side of the oven is cleaner than that side. So it does clean, but you have to scrub, you have to put in a little work. You have to use multiple tabs in order to get it to this point, and it's still not the way I would like for it to be. I would like for it to be without all the little black marks, but I guess I'll live with it for now. I am not impressed, to be honest. And that's the bottom of the oven. I have not touched the back of the oven, so I guess you can do a comparison here. You look at how much cleaner this part of the oven, because this is the part that I've been focused on so far. Look at how clean this part is compared to the back of the oven. I hadn't even touched that. Once I get to the back of the oven, I'll let y'all see what these tabs do to the back of the oven. Ended up having to break out my scrub pad, and this is what it looks like. I smushed some of the dishwasher tabs into it, and I have been scrubbing the bottom. Now that seemed to work better than just a plain dishwashing tab. So that's what I'm doing to get rid of all of the gunk back here, and it's not as labor intensive as just using the dishwasher pad. This is what we are looking like right now. Y'all remember that stain that was right there? Or that caked on whatever that was down there is gone because of this. That one is gone because of this, and now I'm working on that in the back. So a little bit, I hadn't touched the back of the oven yet. I'm still working on the bottom. So I'm making some progress. Y'all can tell I'm tired. This is a lot of work. So now I'm just gonna take my towel and clean the bottom just to see how many more stains left that I need to scrub away. Now that I'm finished with the cavity of the oven, I'm going to move on to the door. And as y'all can see, it looks a lot, not a little bit, but a lot grungy. In theory, the dishwasher tabs is supposed to remove all of the spots. So let's see how well it gets rid of these spots on the glass door. Let me give y'all my honest opinion about these dishwashing tabs. Now, would I use this again? Yes and no. And the reason why I say yes and no is because I would use this on the oven door, the glass door. I would not recommend using this on the cavity of your oven because it took me literally 4 hours to clean that oven, and that it was too much of my time. If you go on TikTok and you notice that they're cleaning with these, they are cleaning the glass doors. They are not cleaning the inside of their oven, only the glass doors. And I don't know what possessed me to want to clean the inside of my oven with these dish tabs. Now, it's 24 in a pack. I ended up using 22 of these things to clean the glass door and the cavity of my oven. 22. And you can find this at Walmart for about $3.47. I think I know it's like $3 and something. If your glass door is grungy and it has all of these little spots on it, this is perfect for that. Glass door, yes. Oven cavity, no. So let me know down in the comment section, have y'all tried this TiK Tok cleaning hack? And if so, were you successful with it? But anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, everyone.